Hi everyone! Do you know that illnesses are your friends? Do you think I'm crazy? No, I'm not crazy. It is hard to say that if you are passing through by any kind of health issues at this moment or any health difficult situation, but some illnesses are signals for you that you need to look at something that's going on in your life right now. Those signals are coming from negative feelings or emotions that you need to treat. Have you ever heard about people who pass through a difficult situation, a illness that could be impossible to overcome, and they completely change their lifestyle, the way that they feel, their feelings, their emotions, and because of that, now they are more alive than ever? Have you ever heard about any of these cases? Yeah, that's true. It's happened. So if you're interested in this topic, stay with me until the end of this video. But before we get to that, I would like to invite you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notifications, like and share this video with your friends or loved ones who might need to hear about that. My objective here is to spread consciousness. My name is Daniela Storti and I'm a Family Constellations facilitator. Let's start. So, first of all, if you are sick, I would like to invite you to seek your family doctor or any therapy as a treatment to help you to pass through whatever you are passing through right now. Follow your doctor recommendations. But if you would like to understand a little bit more and have more consciousness about the source of your health issues, Family Constellations is a way to have more clarity about family hidden dynamics that could cause you health issues. In this video, I will talk about a family constellation session where the client was complaining about her allergy problems. I'm talking about this topic because I see many people, I know that most of illnesses are psychosomatic, which means that they are coming from a sum of negative emotions or feelings you are accumulating inside you, and your body is just responding to it. Your body is showing you what is going on inside yourself. Also, you could be entangled with your family dynamics as well. So most of these family dynamics you are not aware of. You don't have conscious about it. The goal of this video is to awaken your consciousness to help you have a better life, a healthy life with more lightness and fluidity. So what is allergy? Allergy is caused by something that you cannot consume, something that you cannot eat or you cannot touch because it's going to cause you an allergic reaction. And some of those reactions could almost kill you. And figuratively, there is something in your life causing you an allergy reaction, something that you need distance from, because what is close to you is making you sick. Allergy can also be interpreted as if you have an allergy for the type of life you are living in right now, the type of life you are lead. So if you think about an allergy and those like red and itch things that are showing up in your skin, and most of the time they are itching, and when you think about this movement, like when you have an allergic reaction, for example, and you do like this and you feel like it's kind of an anger reaction, then you feel something like this. And from the systemic point of view, It is a family hidden dynamic asking you or begging you to keep distance from something that it is causing this type of anger. Something that you cannot, like, you don't know how to keep distance, but it is telling you to keep distance from. So this anger is related to the moments you are living in your life right now with people, with the people or the situations around you, people or situations that you don't know how to keep your distance from them or from those situations, and this could be causing you a delay in your personal or professional development as well. So in the family constellation session, the client main complaint was about her allergy, and her she was also feeling a lot of anger. Investigating her case, we saw that she was still an adult child, financially dependent from her parents, and emotionally dependent as well, even though she was more than 45 years old. So she was having angry feelings because she was stuck in a situation that she still depends from her parents to survive or to pay her bills, and also emotionally because she was looking for her parents' approval when she was having a love relationship. She met a guy who was older than her father, and of course her parents did not approve this relationship, and she broke up with him. Unconsciously, she was looking for a father in her own feelings. A father, or the parents that she didn't have, or the parents that or what she didn't receive from them when she was a child. And her allergic reactions from and her anger from those moments was coming up in her skin, especially in this part and up in her face. It is like showing up in her face for her to look at this. You need, like, when you, like, especially in the face, when you need to look at yourself in the mirror and you cannot hide something that you need to look at. What is the situation? What is the something that you cannot get away from, and you feel angry because of that? So this is what was showing up in her life. And when we included her inner child in the constellation session, she was totally indifferent towards her inner child. She couldn't feel herself. She was completely away from herself. And when I asked her, where are you? Where is your inner child? What does your inner child is feeling today? Where is your where are your feelings? Where are you as an adult, as a grown woman? It was a really hard moment for her during her session. She finally put her feelings out, and she confessed that she was living a really sad life because of that. But it was the moment she finally realized that she abandoned herself. And it was when she had consciousness that she needs to connect herself with her inner child and start living more her own life, and stop charging her parents for whatever she didn't have, because she was having a child's behavior, like a child throwing tantrums, looking for attention. Can you imagine a child throwing tantrums, like crying because You cannot see me, you don't see me, something like that. You don't approve me. She was literally doing that unconsciously, and she was totally disconnected from her inner child. But this moment, the moment she had more consciousness about that, and she started feeling herself, feeling how she abandoned her as well, but how she needs to connect herself with this child. And in a family constellations, we usually do some movements that could start this healing process, where we connect the person with her own with her inner child, and we have some phrases to bring solution to those moments. And it was the moment for her that she could start healing the her healing process. It's also the moment that we bring attention to the person that we are working with, that now she, as an example, she is 45 or more years old, and now she is not a child anymore, and we need to bring her to her adulthood, where she is the mother and the father for herself, for her child. And whatever her inner child needs or wants, it's her responsibility to give herself whatever she needs. Then this brings more consciousness to the person. So, how important is for us to grow up as a healthy adult? And now we need to take our own parents with whatever they could give us, with whatever was possible for them to give us, and we take that, we put in our hearts, and now we need to be a grown up and do whatever we need to do, but giving ourselves whatever we need, loving ourselves, because in this case, indifference towards an inner child is a really hard feeling against yourself. This is why it's so important to connect with us, to connect with our inner child, and take care of this every day. Take care of our child, our inner child, every day. Asking for what we are feeling today, what we need today, if we need especially this moment that we are living right now. Of course, like the pandemic, it's much lighter than in the beginning or than in the middle, but we are still living in a difficult situation, and most of the people are still looking for a simple hug. Then how important is a hug for ourselves, and how important is we hugging ourselves when we need it the most, or anyone close to you. If you need it, ask for it, because this is really important. As a human beings, we live in a society, we need this, we need to feel close to other people, we need to feel loved from other people, but we need to live ourselves first. We need to take care of us first. This is really, really important, and this can makes a lot of difference in your healing process. So in this case, connecting with the complaint and the issue that this client came to me, this session showed us that this allergy was showing her a behavior or a feelings that she was having, the aspects of her life that she needs to change. and this was a light for her during that session. And what I to finalize this video, what I want to tell you and mention that family constellation is a powerful tool that can show you hidden family dynamics, or also what's going on behind your feelings, your issues. But it is not everything. It is also depend on you to change your behavior, to reframe your feelings, change your family patterns, for example. And this will make you not only start your healing process, but this will make you to completely change your life, the same way that a person who almost died, that completely changed his life and now is more alive than ever. Family constellation session can show you what you need to change, what is the aspect of your life you were stuck with, or making you unhealth, or showing you that you are following an unhealth pattern. But will depend on you to make this movement roll out and change your life. So thank you for watching me, and see you in the next video. Bye.